Hi guys, I'm Abhishek. I have recently given my NEET exam in 2020 and I've scored 99.16 percentile. Also, I have been working with Exampil as a member in their curation team. I would like to share the things which have helped me to succeed and I think would surely help you and make this journey a lot easier for you. The first thing and the most important thing is hard work. Hard work is the key essence to crack NEET. You must have heard about that famous quote, work hard till you succeed. Now this quote actually applies for students like us. You have to work insanely hard. By the way, working hard doesn't mean getting up early, attending lectures or completing all your homework. Working hard means when you give an extra shot, when you give more time to solving your doubts, maybe giving more question papers or reading a book twice or thrice. Now guys, I am going to contradict my own statement. Don't you think working hard in a smarter way is way more efficient than just working hard? This brings me to my next topic, smart work. Smart work is basically efficient time management skills. When you are able to accomplish a job or a task in a limited duration of time, you are working in a smarter way. When it comes to me, solving more MCQs in a limited duration is what I call it as smart work. So guys, as we know, focusing is an important aspect in everything. Especially when it comes to exams like NEET, you have to remain focused throughout this journey. You must have heard that famous dialogue from movie named Uri. How's the Josh? Now, the important part which you have missed is their Josh was high throughout their mission. So, similarly, we have to keep spirits in ourselves alive for 2 years until you crack NEET, until you achieve rank in NEET. So, this concludes that you have to remain focused, work hard in a smarter way to achieve top rank in NEET. Now guys, coming to my fourth point, that is overcoming your weaknesses and failures. Everyone is born with his or her own strengths and weaknesses. The point is how you deal with them. The only way to counterattack them is first recognizing them. Like for example, physics for me was a way hard thing. समझ में नहीं आता था क्या चल रहा है. But I practiced a lot. I used to sit with my teachers. They used to explain me same topic twice or thrice. Practice a lot of MCQs, read more books. But finally, I was able to convert my weakness into strength, and this helped me a lot in my journey. Now, talking about the other thing, failure. Guys, according to me, failure is nothing but a stepping stone towards success. If you fail, you are a step closer to your success path. You must be thinking that since I have scored good marks in NEET, I must be a scholar. But guys, this is not the true story. Even I have faced failure, and that too not once, twice, but many a times. The only way to deal with it is staying focused, practicing more, talking to your mentors, talking to your teachers. This is the only way to overcome a failure or to convert your failure into achievement. Last but not the least, this is the most sensitive part of the video and my fifth point, mental health and study. Guys, this is one point which students like us tend to use. Like we are so obsessed with NEET that पढ़ाई का टेंशन होता है, एग्जाम का टेंशन होता है, उसमें हमको फर्स्ट रैंक लाना रहता है, मॉम डैड की तरफ से प्रेशर आते रहता है, दोस्त ज़्यादा मार्क्स ला रहा है उसका भी प्रेशर होता है. This all sums up and hit us at once. Now, instead, we should give relaxation and peacefulness to our mind. In a way, it keeps our mind healthy, active and fine. which also helps us to be more focused on NEET. So that's it, guys. These are the 5 things which you require to crack NEET. If you feel that the video was efficient and it was helpful to you, please drop a comment below and do write all your queries, doubts, and even the part which you could relate to. So that's it, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to Exampil YouTube channel. Thank you.